Picture this. A woman, let's call her Sarah, is sitting in her newly purchased dream home, overlooking a breathtaking ocean view. Just 1 year ago, she was drowning in debt, working 2 jobs and barely making ends meet. What changed? She discovered the true power of the law of attraction. But here's the kicker. It wasn't some complicated, mystical secret. Sarah stumbled upon 6 simple, yet mind-blowingly effective techniques that transformed her reality in just 30 days. And today I'm going to share these exact techniques with you. Now you might be thinking, another law of attraction video? I've tried everything. But hold on, because what I'm about to reveal isn't your typical think positive advice. These are scientifically backed, spiritually aligned methods that work almost instantly. Don't believe me? Well, let me drop some names that might change your mind. Dr. David Hawkins, the renowned consciousness researcher, and Neville Goddard, the mystical teacher who influenced countless successful people, both validated these practices. Their work shows that the law of attraction isn't just some new age fad. It's rooted in quantum physics and the power of consciousness. Your level of consciousness determines the reality you experience, says Hawkins. And Goddard adds, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. These aren't just pretty words. They're the keys to unlocking a life beyond your wildest dreams. But here's the real reason you need to stick around until the end of this video. The last technique I'm going to share? It's a game changer. I'm talking about a method so powerful, it could literally reshape your reality overnight. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling an unshakable sense of peace and confidence. Visualize opportunities flowing to you effortlessly, your bank account growing, and your relationships flourishing. This isn't a fantasy. It's the reality that awaits you when you master these 6 law of attraction techniques. So, are you ready to discover how to harness the universe's energy and become a manifestation powerhouse? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will transform your life forever. And trust me, by the time we're done, you'll see why the law of attraction is the most potent force in the universe, and how you can tap into it starting today. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets that will catapult you into a life of abundance, joy, and limitless possibilities. Welcome back, Manifestation Masters. We're about to dive into the first mind-blowing technique of the law of attraction. Buckle up, because this one's a game changer. Ever felt like you're stuck in a rut no matter how hard you try? Well, what if I told you that your emotions are the secret sauce to unlocking the universe's abundance? That's right, folks. Dr. David Hawkins, the consciousness guru, discovered something incredible. Our emotions are like a GPS for the law of attraction. Picture this. A stressed-out entrepreneur drowning in debt, bills piling up faster than customers. Sound familiar? Now imagine that same person just 30 days later sipping a latte in their dream office, watching sales skyrocket. What changed? Their emotional vibration. Hawkins dropped this truth bomb. Love has a frequency that transforms your reality. But here's the kicker. It's not just about positive thinking. It's about becoming a vibrational match for what you want. Now let's get practical. Here's your 3-step emotion test. Check in with yourself right now. How are you feeling? Stressed? Excited? Neutral? Ask yourself, if I keep feeling this way, what kind of life am I creating? Here's where the magic happens. Intentionally shift your vibe. How? Glad you asked. Try this. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Now remember a time when you felt absolutely unstoppable. Maybe you nailed that presentation or finally asked out your crush. Feel that confidence, that joy, that pure awesomeness. That's your high vibe state. But wait, there's more. Neville Goddard, the manifestation maestro, said, feeling is the secret. He wasn't just blowing smoke. Science backs this up. When you change your emotional state, you literally rewire your brain. You become a magnet for opportunities that match your new vibe. Here's a mind bender for you. What if you could wake up every day feeling like everything's working in your favor? Imagine the confidence, the peace, the sheer magnetism you'd radiate. That's not fantasy, folks. That's the power of emotional mastery. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, but what about when life throws curveballs? Great question. Here's a pro tip. Use contrast to your advantage. When you're feeling down, use it as a springboard. Ask yourself, what do I want instead? Then lean into that feeling. Remember, the law of attraction isn't about ignoring reality. It's about using your emotional guidance system to navigate towards your dreams. It's like having a superpower that most people never tap into. So here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. For the next 24 hours, Become an emotional ninja. Notice how you feel, shift when necessary, and watch how your reality starts to change. It's like having the cheat codes to the universe. But hold on to your seats because we're just getting started. In our next technique, we're going to explore how to step into your dream life before it even happens. Intrigued? You should be. Stay tuned, manifestation mavens. The best is yet to come. Welcome back, manifestation masters. Ready to supercharge your law of attraction game? Let's dive into a technique so powerful it's like having a cheat code for reality. Picture this. A struggling actor writes himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered. Years later, he's one of Hollywood's highest paid stars. Sound familiar? That's Jim Carrey's story, and it's not just Hollywood magic. It's the assumed state technique, straight from the playbook of manifestation guru Neville Goddard. Goddard dropped this truth bomb. We don't attract what we want, we attract what we are. Mind-blowing, right? But here's where it gets juicy. Dr. David Hawkins, the consciousness heavyweight, backs this up with his research on vibrational frequencies. So what's the secret sauce? It's simple, but don't mistake simple for easy. You've got to imagine and feel as if you've already achieved your desire. It's like method acting, but for your dream life. Let's break it down. Close your eyes and vividly imagine your ideal life. See it, hear it, smell it. Here's the kicker: feel the emotion of having already achieved it. That rush of gratitude, that surge of confidence, that's your manifestation fuel. Now the real challenge: maintain that high vibe state as long as possible. It's like a muscle, the more you flex it, the stronger it gets. But wait, there's more. Hawkins discovered that love and gratitude resonate at the highest frequencies on his consciousness scale. When you assume the state of already having what you desire, you're literally tuning into those high vibe frequencies. Now I can hear some of you thinking, but what if I can't keep it up all the time? Great question. Here's a pro tip. Start small. Pick one area of your life and practice assuming the state for just 5 minutes a day. It's like compound interest for your reality. Imagine waking up every day already feeling like the success you dream of being. How would you walk? How would you talk? What decisions would you make? That's the power of the assumed state technique. But here's where most people trip up. They wait to see it before they believe it. The secret is to flip that script. Be it first, then you'll see it. It's not fake it till you make it. It's faith it till you make it. Remember, the law of attraction isn't about ignoring reality. It's about choosing which reality you want to tune into. It's quantum physics meets mindset mastery. So here's your mission. For the next 24 hours, choose one aspect of your dream life. Maybe it's confidence, maybe it's abundance. Whatever it is, assume that state. Feel it in your bones. Watch how your reality starts to shift to match your new vibration. But hold on to your seats, because in our next technique we're going to explore how to supercharge your manifestations with the power of words. Intrigued? You should be. Stay tuned, reality architects. The best is yet to come. Are you enjoying the video? Then don't forget to smash that like button. Welcome back, manifestation mavens. Ready to supercharge your law of attraction practice? Let's dive into not one but two game-changing techniques that will have you manifesting like a pro in no time. First up, we've got the positive declaration method, straight from the consciousness guru himself, Dr. David Hawkins. But hold on to your seats, because we're going to follow that up with Neville Goddard's mental repetition technique. It's a 1-2 punch that'll knock your manifestation blocks right out of the park. Let's kick things off with a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that self-affirmation actually changes your brain structure? That's right. A study from Carnegie Mellon University found that self-affirmation activates the reward centers in your brain. Talk about the law of attraction in action. Now picture this. A struggling entrepreneur drowning in debt starts using positive declarations. Fast forward 6 months and they're closing million-dollar deals left and right. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because that's the power of Hawkins' method. Hawkins dropped this truth bomb. Words have power because they carry energy. But here's the kicker. It's not just about saying nice things. It's about reprogramming your subconscious mind for success. So how do we do it? Glad you asked. Here's your 3-step positive declaration plan. Write short, powerful affirmations. Keep them present tense and positive. Read them out loud with emotion. Feel it in your bones. Repeat until your subconscious mind accepts it as truth. But wait, there's more. Neville Goddard, the master of imagination, takes this to the next level with his mental repetition technique. He said, persistence in assuming your desire is already fulfilled is the key to success. Let me paint you a picture. An Olympic athlete sidelined by injury uses mental repetition to visualize their perfect performance. They come back to win gold without having touched their equipment in months. That's not fantasy, folks. That's the power of your mind. Here's how you can harness this power. Choose a positive scenario and repeat it mentally every day. Don't worry about the how. Just hold the vision. Watch as opportunities start to appear in your life. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, but what if it doesn't work right away? Great question. Here's a pro tip. Consistency is key. Think of it like working out. You wouldn't expect six-pack abs after one sit-up, right? Same goes for your mental muscles. Remember, the law of attraction isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about aligning your energy with what you want. These techniques are your tuning forks, helping you vibrate at the frequency of your desires. So here's your mission should you choose to accept it. For the next 7 days, choose one positive declaration and one mental scene. Repeat them daily with feeling. Watch how your reality starts to shift. It's like having a remote control for your life. But hold on to your manifestation hats, because in our next technique we're going to explore how letting go can actually bring you closer to your desires. Intrigued? You should be. Stay tuned, reality architects. Welcome back, manifestation masters. Ready to unlock the secret sauce of effortless attraction? Buckle up, because we're diving into 2 game-changing techniques that will revolutionize your law of attraction practice. Picture this. A stressed-out entrepreneur, clutching their business plan like a life raft, suddenly decides to let go. They surrender their worries to the universe. Within weeks, unexpected opportunities start flooding in. Sound like magic? It's not. It's the power of surrender, straight from the playbook of Dr. David Hawkins. Hawkins dropped this truth bomb. The act of letting go creates space for the new. But here's where it gets juicy. Neville Goddard, the master of imagination, takes this even further with his nighttime visualization technique. Let's break it down. First up, the power of surrender. Here's how you can harness this force. Take a specific desire and say, I release this now and trust in life. Whenever doubt creeps in, reaffirm your surrender. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, but what if I need to take action? Great question. Here's the plot twist. Surrender doesn't mean inaction. It means inspired action. When you let go, you open yourself to intuitive nudges from the universe. Remember, the law of attraction isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about aligning your energy with what you want. Surrender is your cosmic alignment tool. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about Neville Goddard's nighttime visualization technique. Did you know that your subconscious mind is most receptive right before sleep? It's like having a direct line to the universe. Goddard said, what you feel before sleep molds your tomorrow. Mind-blowing, right? Here's how to tap into this power. Before bed, vividly visualize an event as if your desire is already realized. Feel yourself inside the scene and fall asleep with that sensation. But here's the kicker. Hawkins discovered that elevated emotions before sleep influence your vibrational resonance the next day. It's like setting your emotional GPS while you snooze. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Some of you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. I get it. But consider this. A study from Harvard Medical School found that visualization techniques can actually change brain structure. That's the law of attraction backed by science. So here's your mission should you choose to accept it. For the next 7 nights, practice the nighttime visualization technique. Choose one desire, visualize it vividly, and surrender the outcome. Watch how your reality starts to shift. It's like having a remote control for your dreams. But hold on to your manifestation hats, because we're not done yet. In our final wrap-up, we're going to explore how to integrate all these techniques into a powerful daily practice. Intrigued? You should be. Wow, what a journey we've been on. You've just unlocked 6 powerful law of attraction techniques that can transform your reality. Let's take a moment to recap and set you on the path to manifestation mastery. Remember, we started with Dr. David Hawkins' Emotional Test, learning how to elevate our vibrational frequency. Then we dove into Neville Goddard's Assumed State technique, discovering how to embody our desired reality. We explored the power of positive declarations and mental repetition, programming our subconscious for success. Finally, we uncovered the magic of surrender and nighttime visualization, aligning ourselves with the universe's infinite possibilities. But here's the million-dollar question. Which of these techniques resonated with you the most? Was it the emotional mastery of Hawkins' approach or the imaginative power of Goddard's teachings? Maybe it was the combination of both that sparked something within you? Now, I can almost hear some of you thinking, this all sounds great, but will it really work for me? Let me tell you, the law of attraction isn't just for a select few. It's a universal principle that's available to everyone. Yes, that means you. So here's your challenge. Choose one technique, just one, and commit to practicing it for the next 7 days. It could be the emotional test, the assumed state, positive declarations, mental repetition, surrender, or nighttime visualization. Pick the one that calls to you. Imagine waking up a week from now, feeling a shift in your energy, seeing new opportunities unfold before you. That's the power of consistent practice. As Hawkins said, what you hold in your mind and heart becomes your reality. Are you ready to hold a new, empowered vision for your life? Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Our community is here to support you every step of the way. Share your experiences in the comments below. Which technique are you going to try first? What breakthroughs have you already experienced? And hey, if you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who could use a little manifestation magic in their life. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positive change. Ready to dive deeper into the law of attraction? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got so much more to explore together, and I can't wait to guide you on the next steps of your manifestation journey. This is where your new story begins. The universe is listening. What will you choose to attract? Wow, you've tapped into the law of attraction. Feel that positive energy? This video found you for a reason. Let's amplify it together. Subscribe to manifest more life-changing content. Like to send positivity back to the universe. Share with someone you care about. You'll both benefit. Comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your engagement grows our community. Next video, I'll reveal a secret to manifest desires faster. Don't miss it. Join our vibrant community of manifestors. Let's co-create an incredible reality together. Your journey to unlimited abundance starts now. I believe in you.